Hello, I'm Ines Simpson, and this is Greg Beckett. And
Hi.
I created the Simpson protocol, and we are doing a self-hypnosis workshop using SP on
Yes.
December 11th at
Yes.
10 o'clock Pacific Standard. Is it standard time?
It's West Coast time.
West Coast time. Okay,
We're
West
both-
Coast time.
Yeah.
So, Greg, maybe tell them a bit about yourself first.
I'm in Los Angeles and work with clients all over because of Zoom. Like we're going to be doing our class, and I've been doing hypnosis for about 20 years. I think I met you 7 years ago, 5 years. Time flies when you're having fun. I also train. I'm a trainer for Simpson Protocol, and what else? What else, Ines?
You're a good guy.
Oh, thank you. You're a good gal.
So that's ultimately it. But we're going to give them a presentation that's about 3 to 3.5 hours, depending on them. We'll give them what they want to know
Right.
about SP and about self-hypnosis and what to do for it. Now, the other thing that we do with them is we give them their outcomes. So I don't know if what the people are coming for.
Well, if they're coming to this class, first of all, let them know it's participatory.
Yes.
It's not just, yeah, right. Let's start there. You're not just going to listen to us for 3 hours.
You're going to be in hypnosis for 3.5 hours.
You're going to be in hypnosis. That nice, relaxed, focused concentration. And you're going to be able to learn how to do that for yourself. Ultimately, when you're finished with the class, you'll be able to work on yourself, and you'll be able to go to different levels to handle whether it's sleep issues, just pain, just all sorts of things. I know we're going to go into more explanation in the class, but it's a modern way of doing hypnosis. Would it say modern?
Yeah, I think I would say that would be about the best way that I know. So when they get to learn self-hypnosis, they learn deep states. So first of all, we take them to somnambulism, and that is normal for most people in this trade today. But then we take them to deep, which is as deep as the person can go. And we take them to high and guidance. Now, guidance doesn't mean what everybody thinks is an angel or something or other. It could be, but it also could be their cat. Could be anything.
It could be a color. It could be just a feeling.
Yes.
It could be a symbol. It could be anything that's that feeling for them of guidance.
Them. That's right. So that is the only issue of guides that I'll ever mention again. So what else? What else do you see doing in the workshop?
Well, we connect to superconscious, which is really the most important thing of it all, right?
Yeah.
Because superconscious is that part. Well, I don't want to give a definition for everybody for themselves.
Yeah.
Everybody has a definition for themselves in their own way. But for me, it's almost like collective consciousness, or that part that knows everything, that can help negotiate through my conscious and subconscious. And we'll talk about those two also. So it's like going to your higher area and having trust.
Yeah.
Trust with yourself, with process, with all of it. It's all about self-trust and moving forward.
Yeah, so I think when people come to this, they decide they want to have trust, because everyone that's done this with me has gone into hypnosis, has achieved it, and had extremely good experiences. So they all have different experiences. As you listen to them, they'll tell you the different things, but they all have great experience. So it depends on your modality of how you react to stuff,
right?
What your experiences are. Some people,
everybody's unique.
It's unique,
right?
So that's why we watch very carefully what we say, so we don't lead them.
How do I use it? How do you use it? How do we use it if we're not teaching somebody or whatever it is, how do we use it for ourselves, right?
Mm-hmm.
I know that I've gotten to where when I go to sleep at night, if I'm having some sort of issue, I'll take myself to peace and then deep and high and say, okay, ask superconscious, let's do whatever needs to be done, to help me to my most positive outcome. Because I don't always know what that is either, right?
No.
What's most positive for me. Or I may use it when I'm going to deal with something that's a little bit challenging. I'll go to a peace level, which is a nice, relaxed state, which we're in if we choose to as much as we want, right? That's an ambulism state, and just enjoy whatever I'm going to be doing. I know that I have clients that come to me and we say, hey, I teach them this. You always get that self-hypnosis when you come and see us as clients, right? And they have a meeting or they have a presentation. They just go to that nice peace state and they're able to do whatever it is they want to do in a calmer level. That's, you could deal with pain. You could deal with weight. You could deal with all sorts of stuff.
I've dealt with lots of things in self-hypnosis. I use it for everything. The Simpson protocol is used for everything. I fell and affected my tailbone the other day, and it was sore for a while, and it's still a little bit, tiny bit sore in the back, but I took care of it right away. Yeah. And every day I get them to fix it.
I actually had a blood vessel break in my eye, and usually it takes about a week or so. But the last time that happened, it doesn't happen very often because it's, but it was gone in 3 days.
Yeah.
And it was pretty full. It was gone. I was like, oh, wow, it's gone already. Because every night I just go, okay, let's, take care of this.
Yeah.
So it's just allowing your body to do what it needs to do.
So you just learn to have trust in yourself, trust in superconscious, and you trust you get what you want. Okay, Greg, I was just thinking, what do they bring to work?
Oh, do they have to study before they come and see us?
Yeah.
No. So I think the biggest thing is bring their willingness and who they are. What optimum outcomes would they like? What are their desired outcomes that they would like to change? Not the change per se, what do they want? It's what they want the outcome to be, right? There's a big difference is I have this issue and what the outcome is.
Yeah.
So come with that desired outcome and willingness to trust and have that open mind to learn something new, because, we have to do something new to get new results.
Now, that's what we mean when we say we open to possibility.
Yes.
That means we take labels off, we get everything. You're open to possibility of clearing up anything.
Right. And again, there's a big difference between I want to work on this, which is great to know, but no, what do you want to be at the end? What's your outcome, right?
Don't bring your assumptions. Don't bring your
old thinking.
Beliefs. Yeah, your old thinking. You open up your mind.
Or your limited beliefs, we don't care for those.
No.
We want the openness, right?
No. Yeah. So most people have some limiting beliefs. I do. I know. I still have some.
I pick at mine every day to get rid of them less and less. Get rid of them, be less of that.
But so we will work on them. Don't worry. Just come and have a good time.
Yeah. How could you not have a good time if it's me and Ines? Come on.